All right, now that you've completed the first two requirements, you should be at this step and you're good to go as far as configuring the affiliate tracking for iTracker. So whenever you enable affiliate tracking, you're going to have a few options here. So the first option is how long do you want the iTracker360 affiliate cookie to live for? So the default is 35 days, but you can, if you want it to last longer, you can just enter any number between 1 and 999 days. So that cookie, what it looks like is this. It looks like iTracker360 underscore AFF. That's the name. And we're going to have the affiliate ID in that name. Now there's an expiration date for that cookie, and that expiration date is generated from this setting right here. So default's 35 days. If you want it to last longer, you can change it. If you want it to last forever, and maybe people might clear their cookies, but let's say they don't clear their local storage object on their browser, which most people don't, we can try to keep that cookie forever. So if you just click yes here, what'll happen is the cookie will basically last forever. It'll never get deleted. Even if it expires, it's still replicated in local storage, so it's basically persistent. Now people can still clear their local storage and it's gone, but this is just a way to keep that cookie, it's kind of a backup. So anyhow, if you want the cookie to last forever, then you can enable that, but the default right now is no. And then for as far as the iTracker cookie being overwritten, you can enable that or disable that. So let's say somebody refers a contact to you and we capture the affiliate ID, we'll store that in a cookie. Then let's say somebody else refers that same person and it has a different affiliate ID, we can overwrite the affiliate ID, so use the last referring affiliate, or we can say no, we're not going to overwrite the cookie, we're going to use the first referring affiliate. So it's up to you on how you want to configure that, but these settings here only apply to the iTracker360 affiliate cookie. Now there's another option, it's kind of an advanced setting. It's whether you want iTracker to ignore certain pages or domains or whatever. So if, let's say, you have a whole bunch of forms where you're driving traffic to a hosted landing page that's on your Infusionsoft account, you can ignore that if you want to. And what it'll do is if anybody's submitting a form from dh106.infusionsoft.com, we'll basically not track the affiliate activity. We won't create referral records when people are coming from that domain. If you didn't exclude that domain, it's probably not a big deal, because even if referral records are already created through the API, we're not going to just keep creating more and more referral records. So if there's a valid one that's been created within the last 35 days or so, we're not going to keep creating more and more referral records. So you don't really need to ignore any domains, but if you want to, you can. It's just kind of up to you, because maybe you have a website where you're running WooCommerce, right? And you have a plugin that's doing affiliate tracking. Then you have some Infusionsoft forms on that domain, and that's doing affiliate tracking. Then you have iTracker360 running on your domain, and that's doing affiliate tracking, right? Maybe you don't want iTracker360 running for just that domain. You can add that domain and we'll exclude it, so we won't track activity there. But even if you don't exclude it, we're not going to just keep creating more and more referral records, so it's probably not that big of a deal if you don't ignore anything. So anyhow, that's this page, and that's the settings. I'm going to make another video on kind of showing a whole round trip, kind of detailed inner workings of the affiliate tracking and how it does its thing, and we'll submit an order and we'll show the commissions being generated and all that stuff. So just watch the next video on that.